Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Here's a quick update on a lot of people wanting to know what happens when you cancel your Search Atlas account. So basically the changes that you have deployed through the auto feature, the auto automatic feature that it applies to, does it get completely removed the moment that you cancel the Search Atlas account? So this is what the update is. From September of 2024, they have introduced this deep freeze feature, and here is the help article from the official Search Atlas website itself. Here it says, what happens if I cancel my Search Atlas subscription? So if you need to cancel the Search Atlas subscription, you can get the deep freeze SEO continuity plan. And by the way, guys, before I proceed, let me just quickly tell you, a lot of people who are on the verge of signing up for the Search Atlas, make sure that you utilize this to your advantage, and you have one-to-one personal onboarding call with us. And how do you get the one-to-one personal onboarding call with us? Like, immediately through the WhatsApp. As you can see, this is a WhatsApp group we have formed with one of our affiliates. All you have to do is just sign up using our affiliate link. And now, what is our affiliate link? All you have to do is just in the browser, you just type in abdullahzahid.com/auto. The moment that you type in this abdullahzahid.com/auto, it will reroute you to the official website. There you take the free trial and just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or at the WhatsApp number I'm giving at the top of the screen. Right away, we are going to form the WhatsApp group, and with our expert, we'll ensure that you get one-to-one complete onboarding. Now, coming back onto the defreeze. As you can see, keep the fixes deployed for unlimited time as long as the pixel is installed. You will have access to the project through an open link, and it is free. And you can undeploy fixes and edit deploy fixes. This feature does not support new deploy. So what does this simply mean? Again, like, what happens if I defreeze a project after 14 days? One site quota will be released for. So you will need to defreeze your site so that this does, I mean, all the changes is not rolled back. Now, is there any cost for this? Yes, there is a cost for this. For defreezing any of the project, you would need to pay a one-time cost of $99. So the moment that you pay this one-time cost of $99, all your previous changes will remain as it is for lifetime, right? And this only required once you're canceling your Search Atlas. In case you do not cancel your Search Atlas, of course it is going to remain, and the timely deployment of the SEO fixes will keep on happening. I hope that this is completely clear. It's very simple. If you cancel the Search Atlas account and you want all the changes to stay there, just pay $99 and defreeze the account permanently for one-time cost. As well as, again, I'll repeat, guys, just type in the, I mean, if you want to sign up for the Search Atlas, just type in the browser abdullahzahid.com/auto, and it will reroute you to the sign up page of the Search Atlas, and take the free trial. And we are going to create a WhatsApp one-to-one WhatsApp group and free onboarding and walking you through to the application. Isn't that super amazing bonus, reducing your time and effort that will take for you to understand and do the setup? I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.